We are going to discuss about the topic active and passive voice. As we all know that firstly we should know how to frame a simple sentence. The sentence is framed as subject plus verb first form plus object. And when we convert it into passive voice, our object becomes the subject and subject changes to object. And when we write a sentence, we all know that we write the verb according to the subject. So here we are going to discuss it according to the tenses. So first tense which we are going to take is simple present tense. Now as we go according to the simple present tense, we all know that the sentence is framed as subject plus verb first form plus s or es plus object, and it is the active form. Now we will take it into the passive form. Now the object will be converted as subject and the subject will be converted as object. Now what we have to do with the verb is this, like we have to write is, am, are plus verb third form. As we all know that the verb third form is the participle form. Now we are going to take an example for it, like I write a letter. Now here it is the subject and it is the object, and when we convert it into passive voice, our object will become the subject. It means it is written firstly a letter. A letter is singular, so we will take is and verb third form. Here our verb is right and its third form is written. Now we will add the sentence, the word by, and it is I will be converted into me. So our sentence will be a letter is written by me. It was all about the simple present tense. Now we are going to take present continuous tense. When we talk about the present continuous tense, the sentence is written as subject plus is, am, are plus verb first form plus ing plus object. And when we convert it into passive voice, we will see that again the object will convert as the subject and the subject will be written as object. Now is, am, are will return same, and being is added and verb third form is added. Our sentence will be completed. We will take the same example. I write a letter is in the simple present form. Now we will convert it into present continuous form. It will be I am writing a letter. And if I convert it into passive form, it will be a letter. A letter is singular, so again is will be added, and we have to add being, is being, and verb third form of write is again written, is being written by, and I will be converted as me. It was all about present continuous tense. The subject can be different, the object can be different, but we have to always convert the object into subject and then the verb will be written according to the subject. Now we will go through the present perfect tense. When we write a sentence in present perfect tense, it is like subject plus has, have plus verb third form plus object. It is the active form. Now we have to convert it into passive form. It would be object will become the subject, subject will become the object. And what about the verb? Has and have will remain the same. The word been would be added and verb third form. So I will again take an example. I have written a letter. So now again a letter will become our subject, a letter. It is again singular, so we will write has, and we have to again add been, has been, the verb third form is to be written, and written is also the third form, so we will write